Today we have this 1965 Singer Scholastic vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Singer is a pretty rare typewriter model, made in Holland and I believe designed by Royal. Singer also made sewing machines. I'm not sure if it's the same company or not. Margins are located behind the panel here, and you just push down and move them with your thumb. I like them at the beginning and the end of the platen. Same with this right side here. So we're going to keep it there. And there's a paper support arm that flips up from the back like that. Paper bale sits on top of the paper, and this main roller here is the platen. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 0, 1, 1.5, or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on double, but if you want single, there's a switch right here, and I'll let you see that easier when you slide the carriage over. This switch right here, if you flip it back, it goes all the way to 0, 1, 1.5, or 2. We're gonna put it on 1 and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line to switch from black to red. I believe we have that on half a space. It didn't look like it skipped a whole space. Maybe we were good. Okay. So to switch from black to red, you just flip this switch up all the way. There's a red dot there. You got red, white, and blue. Red means it hits the bottom portion of the ribbon. White, the ribbon doesn't get hit at all. And blue, you hit the top portion of the ribbon. Really like this machine. It's really simple and basic, so it's easy to use. You don't have to learn a lot to type on this, and it's fun. Very good engineering on it too, so it's not like the brand new ones that you'd get where the engineering is complete trash and all the parts are really cheap. This is well made and heavy and sturdy, and it'll last forever if you take care of it. We're gonna flip that back down to blue so that it's the top portion of the ribbon the next time we type. And that's the print. It looks good, really good. So comparable to some of the better typewriters of this era, this will match up with some of those nice typewriters. To pull the page out easy, you just flip this switch. The lower one here unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. And you can also push the paper in to find the exact spot if you're on a document or you need to make accent marks or anything like that. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page or else it won't load correctly. We're going to flip this back down. Backspace on the top right here, that works good. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, you just hit the shift button again, and when you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that blocks you from typing, and if you want to bypass that, you hit this top button here that has arrows going in each direction. That is your margin release, and it'll allow you to type past that block. Open the hood here, it just pops right off from the back, and you have your ribbon, all your brand new ribbons loaded on the left side, so it's pulling to the right. And if you want to change that direction, you just flip that switch. See how it flips like this? Right now, if you have it to the down side, it'll pull clockwise to the right. And if you flip it up to the back, it'll start pulling counterclockwise to the left. We're going to keep it pulling to the right for now. And to put this cover back on, you just line up these hinges right here with the back panel, and it just snaps right on. And on this side, we don't have a carriage release on this side. All we have here is the line space mechanism and a locking mechanism. If you push this down, it'll lock your carriage in the middle position. So sometimes somebody might get one of these and they can't figure out why it won't type. why it's stuck. You just got to lift this lever up and it'll allow you to type. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.